Hey guys, today let's learn how to use voice threads on the Instagram Threads app. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new feature on the Threads app called the voice threads, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Threads application. And what I want you guys to do first before this is to actually make sure that you are using the latest version of the Threads application. So go ahead and make sure that you're using the latest version by checking if you have an update available on the App Store. And once you've already made sure of that, all we need to do first is to tap on this new Threads option on the middle of our tabs right here. And then in order for us to use the voice threads, all we need to do is to tap on this mic option or this mic icon, and we can actually go ahead and now record our voice threads. Now we need to go ahead and just speak and tell what we want to go ahead and post on our threads, and tap on this button once more. Now wait for this to basically load, and once it is done, just tap on done, and as you see, it will have an automatic transcription of the voice, and all we need to do next is to tap on post. And that's how you guys can easily use the new voice threads on the Instagram Threads app. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.